Thank you. Do we have any doubts or something in that? In the case study?
Sir, can
Participants,
you
if you
once
have
more go into the challenges slide, sir?
Okay,
Can
sir.
you once more brief challenges slide?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you listening me?
Yes, sir. I can able to hear you.
You are hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So very good presentation. First, I would like to congratulate you. You have given very good presentation.
Thank you, sir.
So I have two queries
Yes, sir.
because of my mission is to green India. So my
Yes, sir.
question is drone based afforestation. How we can design a drone that can plant 10 crore trees across 10 crore hectares of land in India,
Okay.
leveraging seeds, technology, drone navigation system, soil and climate analysis.
Yes, sir. You are
Yes,
right. Actually,
yes,
not only using the drones, we are doing afforestation. Like
yes.
for 10 crore hectares, we'll be using some other machineries also. Not only we are going to trust the drones, sir. Even though we are having in India from
Okay.
2015 itself, we are having drones and all. So the challenges in between the drones is handling the things.
But
So now
how we,
there are drones which can seed itself,
okay.
not only in the farmlands. So that is known as seed ball dropping drones, where the people cannot go, the drone can go itself, and it is going to plant the trees down there.
Okay. Thank you very much. My question number two. Hello.
Yes, sir.
But I'm interested to know drone enabled precision forestry for youth mission. My mission is to provide job to 1 crore youth in India as our prime minister's mission. So how
Okay, sir.
drone enabled precision forestry for youth mission can be developed? What
Okay.
AI algorithms and sensors would you integrate for optimal results?
Yes, sir. We can
Uh,
integrate sensors in drones for optimal use. So,
Yes.
like, when the drone is going to do the work, we are not going to get the people's on work. So we are going to create the drone to do the humans work. So we are not going to use the humans for operating the drones and all. When the AI is going to take over the drone, the machine learning itself, it is going to check whether it is good or bad. The decision making capability of the drones will become high when it is going to an AI drone.
My question is what AI algorithms and sensor would you integrate for
Yes,
optimal
sir.
results?
Yes, sir. We can integrate.
So did you saw in India?
No, no, sir. Not now in India, but somehow in future India it will come, sir.
In future, our prime minister mission is to provide job to 1 crore youth. So
Yes,
I
sir.
think the forestry is the only solution because we have 120 hectare westland in India,
Yes,
and
sir.
that land can be provided job by various technologies. So
Yes,
drone
sir.
enabled precision forestry for youth mission is a very good option. So
Yes,
how
sir.
we can integrate what algorithms and sensors would you suggest?
Sir, yes, sir. Actually, the drones are the best things in India. Like now, it is a growing things. As you said, Prime Minister of India is also offering so many things to the youths of India
Yes.
to be a part of drone. Like he has introduced the first thing. Prime Minister Modi ji has introduced first thing, drone DD scheme, where the unemployed women, not saying unemployed women, like self-help group women can be
Yes.
trained for drones, and they can use their drones to make some money from the drones. So that are all so much good things given by the Prime Minister. So there is an opportunity for 1 crore Indian in drone field in India itself.
Yes, so my objective is this, कि मतलब we can provide job to 1 crore youth by
Okay.
this drone-enabled precision forestry. So this FDP should focus on this work, how this drone-enabled precision forestry for youth mission can be solved.
Sir, actually, just now we don't have any technological advancements for not only planting the trees in drones is not a job, sir. So like the drones will be having different kind of roles also. We can use the drones for surveying, surveillance, mapping, and even though in military also we can use the drones for protect our Indian bases. So not only in afforestation, the thing the drone works. So in
But
each and every, yes, sir.
actually, but my objective or a prime minister mission is to
Yes,
provide job to 1 crore youth. So I thought कि
1
1
crore.
crore youth we can provide by forestry sector, by मतलब
Forestry
various
sector.
medicinal
Mhm.
plants, by various medicinal plant sectors and aromatic plants. So मतलब my question is this कि how we can develop drone-based tree health monitoring, precision irrigation and fertilizer, and automated pruning and harvesting system.
So now the industries are in research and development of those drones. So not now in India, but in future India, it will be possible, sir.
Yes, so
Using the sensors.
my request is that you are requested to kindly focus on this area.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Any more, sir?
So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes,
Sir,
ma'am.
excuse me, sir. I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you are saying that drone will put seeds where there is a deforestation occurs, right?
Ma'am, your voice is a little bit breaking. Can you be able to hear me clearly?
Sir, you are saying that drone will help us to plant trees where there is a deforestation occurs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, but it takes long time to grow a tree in deforestation,
Forest, yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But it
It takes
takes
a
longer
long time.
time. Yes, sir. How it
Sir,
can manage without human intervention? How the drone will will reduce the duration, sir?
ma'am, the duration is not a matter here, actually. So the thing is, the people cannot go inside the forest and plant the trees where there is no tree. So carrying the seeds and traveling inside the forest, so we cannot be able to travel with the whole sack of seeds with our behind now. So the drone can do the work for
Yes.
traveling and planting the trees. So growing the trees, the forest itself, it can grow the tree. But the time consumption we cannot reduce. It takes.
Oh, okay, sir. But we have to monitor whether there is a growth or not, right?
Yes, ma'am. We need to monitor that and all. We are going to feed the drone through AI or machine learning platform or something. So it can identify itself and it is going to give us the report back. So we can be able to clearly monitor the growth of the plants.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Sir, one question from participants, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any categories of drones based on weight and its functionality?
There is categories of drone and classification of drones. So there is two mixture of drones. Like categories means what are all the propulsion system of the drones. So you can be able to clearly see the aeroplane is flying in the air now. So when the aeroplane is flying without the pilot, it is known as fixed wing aircraft. So in drones we'll be saying it fixed wing drone. Again, when we are coming to multiple propulsion systems, so like it will be having 4 rotors, 3 rotors, 2 rotors, like, so it is known as multi rotor drones again. And then there is one another category. So there is difference between classification and category. Now I'm saying categories only. Rotorcraft with multiple propulsion system. Again, fixed wing drone. Fixed wing drone means it will act as an aeroplane. So it is going to take off from ground and it is going to do its work and it is coming back and it is going to land. And again, one more thing is hybrid thing. So the hybrid thing is mixture of both rotorcraft and aeroplane. So what does the difference means? So in rotorcraft, the drone can take off from where it is located. But in fixed wing, it needs a runway to take off. So when we are going to mix this each other means, so the drone can take off from the ground and it act as an aeroplane. So that is in categories. There are three categories: rotorcraft, fixed wing, and hybrid. Again, we come to classification. The drones are classified into weights. So 0 to 250 grams, we'll be calling it as nano classification. Again, 250 grams to 2 kgs, we'll be calling it as micro. Again, 2 to 25 kgs, we'll be calling it as small. And again, 25 to 150 kgs, again, we are calling it as medium. Again, 150 to 150 and above, we'll be calling it as large. So these are all the weight classification of drones. So weight is classified and the model is categorized. That is the thing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So one more question, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Can drones control forest fires? And are they able to inform the control center if someone is cutting trees or forest illegally?
Nowadays, the defense people are using drones to identify where there is a breach inside our territory or not. So the same thing is going to happen in foreign countries, like in China. They are using drones to control fire, okay, in buildings and all. So in forest, now they are using drones to identify where the forest fire is causing and where it is going to travel, and now where it is going to end. So that are all the things, the data where it is going and when it is going, what time it takes from the wildfire travel one place to another place, it can be identified by the drone. The forest fire cannot be controlled by the drones, ma'am.
Oh,
But we
okay,
can
sir.
be able to identify these kind of little things with the help of drones. What is the intensity of fire, what are all the things happening, and what are all the wildlife that is getting burnt, and these are all the things we can be able to clearly see through the drone.
Okay, sir. So what type of techniques and algorithms used in drone?
What type of techniques and algorithms, like I'll share you one thing, 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
There is some problem in sharing my screen. Have you heard about sensor fusion combining more sensors, na sensor fusion techniques? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Have you already heard about the sensor fusion techniques?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, this question is from participant.
Okay, fine. So it is going to happen like it is a sensor fusion technique which it combines more sensors. So we can be able to clearly see we have a computer and it has a brain where we are calling it as an RAM or CPU, central processing unit. Okay, so central processing unit. So in chat they are asking, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one. So categories, it is done. I have one question. Can drone, okay, this is also done. What type of techniques and algorithms used in drone? So that is like, I am now saying that is sensor fusion techniques where we are having a computer. The computer is consist of one central processing unit, CPU, where we are calling it as a central processing unit. So central processing unit combines of processors and data processing unit, RAM, ROM, and everything. The same thing, it is inside the drone. So the drone consists of sensors like combining GPS, IMU. IMU means inertia measurement unit, and radar, and path planning algorithms like dynamic window and by-inspired methods. So, like machine learning is also an algorithm is used. So next one, how AI enables drones to become how AI enables drones to become autonomous, process data for complex tasks like navigation and object rejection. Okay. The enhancing of efficiency cannot be done by AI itself. Okay. So now we are going to make the drone fly. So while flying the drone, we can be able to clearly see the motors are constantly rotating in the air. So while in the air, the efficiency of the drone reduces. Okay. Now coming to your point, AI enable drones to become autonomous. So now we are using the drones which is semi-autonomous. So semi-autonomous drones are there, again process data. So semi-autonomous drone with the help of sensor like object detection and obstacle detection sensors, where we can use, and it can process the data from the obstacle avoidance sensor. Now it is going to take the obstacle avoidance data and it processes the data by itself, and it is not going to hit the wall in before it. Okay. So like in navigation, we are going to teach how to get the drone from one place to another place. Even though it is autonomous, we are going to teach the drone where it is going to start and when it is going to start, how much the height it would be. So these are all the things now we are teaching the drone. When the AI enables the complex task, like you are saying in navigation, now it will be reduced. What are all the key guidelines by DGCA for using drones for photography in India? So the key guidelines means we have to follow the rules and regulations of DGCA. Like they will be having set of rules which is 55 rules, and there will be 12 parts of rules, totally 55 rules only. It is introduced in 2021 for the drone users. So for photography, not only for photography, for all the drone users in India, we have to follow the rules and regulations and guidelines provided by the DGCA. That will be simple, like where it is going to fly and when you are going to fly. Is there is a zoning complexity, like if it is inside the airport means we are not going to fly there. These are all the guidelines given by the DGCA. So you can I'll type the website. Okay. DigiSky. This one will be our website, not our website. This is central government's website where you can clearly able to see everything inside the drones and things and all. And again, now the DGCA is using another one website. It is called as e-governance of civil aviation, EGCA. Type it in Google and you can see what is inside the drones things, and what are all the drones inside India, which is approved drone, which is not approved drone. Still, some people for photography, I'll say don't use DJI drones. DJI is completely banned in India because they're data breaching. DJI drones convert Indian data to Chinese markets and all. So the people's in Indian aviation industry avoids DJI drones. Do we have any other doubts, ma'am?
No, sir, it was absolutely fine. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Any further queries, participants?
Thank you so much.
Sir, shall we end our session?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
So thank you, sir, for joining us in exploring ML-based robots for a green environment. Designing ML robots under ethical considerations like creating sustainable future is very most important and appreciable, where machines and nature work in harmony. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for choosing this topic and delivering. It was a wonderful session. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, Anandal. Um, thank you. Follow green practices. Thank you so much for Anandal participating in this session. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dear participants, please kindly fill the feedback form and assessment and take your assessment link, which have been provided in your WhatsApp group.
Thank you so much, ma'am. The second session was wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Ma'am, third session I couldn't able to mark my attendance. I filled assessment and feedback forms both too. Third one,
Okay, sir. We'll check
please
it, sir.
enable
We'll
me.
check it. Many have this issue. We'll check it.
Fine, ma'am. Thank
We'll
you, ma'am.
again post the link.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. You may all leave now and kindly post the feedback and take your assessment using the link. Thank you for joining. You may all leave now. Kind notice to all. Please enter your attendance within 10 minutes once it gets posted. Otherwise, you can't entry it. This is due to avoid unnecessary entries. So kindly post your attendance within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, you post your attendance.
Ma'am, attendance
Else you
is not
can't post it.
available. Ma'am, attendance is not available in chat box.
Sir, you enter your attendance within 10 minutes. Within short duration only it will be available. Else you can't post it. You can't enter your attendance.
Where it is, where will be available, madam?
In WhatsApp group, sir.
Okay.
In WhatsApp group. Attendance alone, it will be available only for short duration.